Welcome to aminacademy.com and human anatomy and physiology. Let us discuss about anatomical terms. The, the anatomical terms includes first the anatomical position. The position is used in all anatomical descriptions to ensure accuracy and consistency. The body is in the upright position with the head facing forward, the arms of the sides with the palms of the hands facing forward and the feet together. Directional terms. These pair terms are used to describe the location of body parts in relation to others and are explained. Regional terms. These are used to describe parts of the body. Body planes. There are three body planes which lie at right angles to each other. These divides the body into sections and are used to visualize or describe its internal arrangements from different perspectives. The anatomical positions is used as the reference position in description using body plans. There are three planes are there: median plane, coronal plane, and transverse plane. Now we'll discuss further about these terms. Look at this. And the anatomical position of the body is when the body is upright facing forward with the arms hanging down by the sides of plan, palms facing forward. The legs are parallel which with our the feet flat on the floor. This position. Other anatomical position, first prone position. The body is horizontal with the face and upper body facing down. This position is often used in surgery, especially when accessing the spine. Next, supine position. The body is lying face up. Dorsal recumbent position. The body is lying on its back with the knees bent. Lithotomy position. The body is face up with the arms to the sides, but the legs are separated and raised. Anatomical planes. The body is also divided into three imaginary planes. First one, sagittal planes, divides the body into right and left halves. Coronal planes divides the body into front and back halves. Transversal plane divides the body into top and bottom halves. Anatomical terms. Anatomical terms are used to describe the movement of the body at the joints. For example, medial means movement towards the midline of the body, and lateral means movement away from the midline. Now look at this. The three primary anatomical plans used to describe human body orientation and movement are the sagittal, dividing left and right; coronal, dividing front and back; and transverse, dividing upper and lower. Look at this. This coronal plane frontal plane is a horizontal axial or transverse plane, this one, and sagittal or longitudinal plane, this. The sagittal and longitudinal plane, this one, and median plane, next one is parasagittal plane. These are the planes of the body. Now we'll explain further about sagittal plane, also called the lateral planes. This plane divides the body into left and right halves. When the division runs exactly through the midline, it's called the mid-sagittal or median plane. Any sagittal plane that does not lie directly on the midline is referred to as a parasagittal plane. Flexion and extensions typically occurs in this plane. Coronal plan, also called the frontal plan. This plan divides the body into front, that is anterior, and back, posterior positions. Joint motion within this plan is called adduction or abduction. Transverse plan, also called the axial or horizontal plan. This plan divides the body into upper superior and lower inferior parts. It runs perpendicular to the sagittal and coronal planes. Motions such as rotation occur in the transverse plan. So far, we discussed about the human body plan. In future videos, we will discuss further about it. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.